Today we are cooking at the Grove. Today we will be cooking pork adobo. Adobo is a popular Filipino dish which involves marinating the meat and simmering it to cook. The most common ingredients used for adobo are soy sauce, vinegar, and bay leaf. However, in this version, we are making it gluten-free. We will be substituting these ingredients with tamari, a gluten-free soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and oregano leaves. Here is the list of our ingredients. We will be needing 500 grams of pork belly or pork crusher, cut into bite-sized pieces. Here's a tip: make use of a separate chopping board for your meat and veggies. Also, wash your hands after handling meat to avoid cross-contamination. We will also need 1/4 cup of tamari sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1/2 tablespoon of peppercorns, 3 teaspoons of oregano leaves, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt to taste, and a cup of water. Come with me in my kitchen and let's start cooking. Combine the pork belly, tamari sauce, and garlic. Mix well until the pork belly is fully coated with the marinade. Set aside for 1 hour. Heat the pan on medium fire and put the marinated pork belly, then cook for a few minutes. When the pork belly is all browned up, add in the peppercorn and the oregano leaves. Give it a good mix. Add in the water. Cover and bring it to a boil. After boiling, let it simmer for 30 minutes. Check halfway through to see if you need to add more water. If needed, add in about 1/2 cup of water and continue to simmer. Put in the vinegar and simmer uncovered for another 10 minutes. Add a pinch of salt only if required. When the pork belly has rendered its own fat, it is now cooked and ready to serve. Serve warm on a bowl and best paired with the steamed rice. And there you have it, our gluten-free pork adobo. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time at the Grove.